Are you a freelancer or a virtual assistant na gustong mag-level up? Or are you someone na gustong mag-freelancing pero hindi alam ang high-paying skill na aaralin? This video is for you. So let's talk about a tool that can literally change your freelancing journey, which is High Level or GHL. So ano nga ba si High Level? High Level is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform na ginagamit ng mga businesses where they can manage leads, clients, marketing, sales, automations, and websites all in one place. Now imagine this. Most businesses are using website builders, email marketing platforms, booking systems, CRM, and funnel builders. Ang dami, di ba? And guess what? Lahat yan may bayad. Lahat yan hiwa-hiwalay. At lahat yan kailangan pang i-integrate. With High Level, you can do it in one platform. Mas simple, mas efficient, mas scalable. With Go High Level or High Level, you can build funnels and websites, automate emails and SMS, manage your CRM and pipelines, set up booking systems, create courses and communities, and automate follow-ups kahit tulog ka. Basically, if you learn the skills, you're not a VA anymore. You'll be a tech VA or automation specialist. And that is where high-paying clients are. And this isn't just a hype because almost 2 million businesses are using GHL worldwide. And it's continuously growing because they know how powerful High Level is. So, if you're thinking, paano ko to aaralin and where do I even start? Good news! High Level Accelerator or HLA is now open for enrollment. This is where you can learn GHL from beginner to advanced, real use cases, actual systems na ginagamit ng clients, plus guidance para ma-offer mo ito as your service. Stop guessing, stop jumping from one skill to another, learn one powerful system, and build a freelancing career around that. So if you want to learn with HLA, comment HLA below or message me to help you get started.